So thank you. Good morning, everyone, or for those of us in European time, good evening. I'm Dominic Murphy, from CEO of Fusion Photonics Limited, and in case you haven't guessed from the accent, we're an Irish company. So I want to start by thanking the committee and the organisers for the opportunity to present here this morning. I'm going to stake claim to two crowns. The first, I'm sure I'll have a debate from Robert on. Ireland is the home of the best whiskies in the world. The second, for Fusion Photonics, Fusion Photonics is the home of the best portable interferometer technology in the world. So Fusion Photonics is a spin-out company that myself and Kieran O'Mahony started to commercialize a range of optical technologies we've been working on for the past number of years. Using these technologies and combining them with a suite of other sensor technologies like our last speaker was talking about, you will be able to measure your universe in a meaningful and cost-effective way. Our lead product is Spectrifier. Spectrifier is a powerful platform technology that uses our patent-pending passive photonic engine. Our engine is an interferometer that covers the full bandwidth of your detector, providing 80% throughput, and it has no scanning elements and no moving parts. That's right, it's passive, it has no scanning elements, no moving parts, and covers the full detector spectrum in a single unit, in a single shot. So Spectrifier acquires the most information with the highest accuracy across the broadest range in a single portable unit. Because it's highly configurable for a wide range of applications and it has small size, it is the best technology to add spectrometry to smartphones. So we're proposing Spectraphone to bring spectrometer technologies to mass market applications, to be used with a range of sensing and sensor technologies. Further, going the wrong way, Spectricorder. So using our engine, we can bring the dream of the Star Trek tricorder to life. Spectricorder, combining, as I said, our technology, which will be at the core, it will form the photonic core of a single handheld unit at the heart of Spectricorder. Because our technology is an interferometer, it can also be configured for measurements of displacement, thickness, refractive index, and dispersion. And these functionalities will be offered in a future product, Metrifier. So, how did we get here? We went to Enterprise Ireland, who are a government funding agency in Ireland who support the commercialisation of research, with our project proposal. They gave us $1 million in R&D funding into the optics research group at the Waterford Institute of Technology in Ireland. And yes, that's the Waterford of the Waterford Crystal. So, having developed the technology and proven the concept, we have 2 patents pending and a further 8 patents to file. On this basis, Kieran and I started Fusion Photonics Limited to commercialize these technologies. There's been a lot of interest in adding microscopy and spectroscopy technology and capability to smartphones. For spectrometer technology, we propose our passive photonic engine, Spectrifier. We're proposing Spectrophone to be powered by Spectrifier. As I said, it offers a highly portable platform. It's very cost effective. It offers highest accuracy and provides the most information across the broadest spectral range in a single shot, in a single unit. So what's the market? Well, this technology, because it's widely configurable, it has a wide range of market applications, spanning the life sciences, food and agriculture, environmental and structural health monitoring, medical diagnostics, process control, electronics and optics. The 2010 portable spectrometer market was worth $150 million. The total spectrometer market was worth $6 billion. In 2010, there were over 300 million smartphone sales, which showed a growth rate of 20%. And there were more than 5 billion mobile phone subscribers. Based on these figures, we're projecting a $4 billion market for spectrometer technologies at an adoption rate of 10% as a hardware add-on at $8 a piece. Combining this with the spectrometer market, Fusion Photonics is projecting a $1 billion enterprise value in 5 years' time, based on capturing 10% of that projected smartphone spectrometer add-on plus 10% of the existing spectrometer market. So I just want to give a representation of our value comparison compared to some of our competitors based on a price performance or bang for buck comparison. We are twice as good as our competition. That's considering bandwidth, resolution and a price point of about $1,500 when we launch the product later this year for Spectrifier. In addition, we offer 10 times the accuracy of our competing technologies over the full detector spectral range. So this is a truly disruptive platform technology. So now I want to talk about, break down the steps of how we got from lab to market. So we invented a disruptive platform technology that has wide application. Using $1 million in research and development funding, and we have patents pending to protect this technology worldwide. We built relationships with a global network of experts and end users to identify customer needs, unserved markets and key lead market opportunities. We have a strong portfolio of core products and capabilities, and we're working with strategic partners to develop these technologies, to secure supply chain, distribution and global presence, so that we can provide a quality, cost-effective product to our customers. To grow the company and to fund the development of Spectraphone, Spectracorder and Metrifier, we're talking to investors at the $5 million investment level for 20% equity. Based on our projections of a $1 billion enterprise value in 5 years' time, this will yield a $200 million return. We're working towards a product launch in September of this year, and as I said, at a price point of $1,500 for our base unit. We invite you to visit our booth 1838, where we're exhibiting some of our prototype units. We're still in the productization phase, and I want to finish by thanking again the committee and the organisers for the opportunity to present. Thank you.